Hello everyone. Welcome to my video on learning Korean. I'm excited to share with you some tips and tricks that I've learned along the way, and I hope that you find this video helpful and informative. So, let's get started.
Hello, do you have any books in Korean?
안녕하세요. 한국어 책이 있나요?
Yes, we do. What kind of book are you looking for?
네, 있습니다. 어떤 종류의 책을 찾으세요?
I'm looking for a book to learn Korean.
한국어를 배우기 위한 책이요.
Then, I would recommend this book.
그러시면 이 책을 추천해 드릴게요.
Is this book good?
이 책이 좋은가요?
Yes, this book is easy to understand and is suitable for beginners.
네, 이 책은 초보자용으로 쉽게 설명되어 있습니다.
I'll take this book, thank you.
그럼 이 책 사겠습니다. 감사합니다.
You're welcome. Enjoy learning Korean.
별 말씀을요. 즐거운 한국어 공부 되세요.
Thank you for watching my video on learning Korean. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Remember, learning a new language takes time and practice. But don't give up. Keep studying and practicing, and you'll be speaking Korean fluently before you know it. Goodbye for now, and I wish you all the best on your language learning journey. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up.